Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. Do you love animals, books, and to dance? This has been our favorite book for years. It is so much fun, and the colors just make it really pop. When reading this, we love to act like the animals. There are so many common animals, but also unique animals at the same time. It really helps us to be silly and spend time together. And that is really my personality, is super silly anyway. So this book really is up my alley. Being silly, dancing around, making noises, that is definitely my family's thing. It's a great book. I would highly recommend this book. It is so much fun. It really brings the family together. So if you are looking for a fun book where you can be silly and have fun and play and jump and dance, I would definitely recommend this book. And that's my point of view.